Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, yeah, you're sharing your screen.
Yep. Sharing. You're
Okay,
sharing.
fine. So in the previous class we are studying about the addition. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Today I will teach you some different ways of addition. No, I will teach you different way of subtraction. Everyone knows
Yes.
about only one type of subtraction, but I will teach you two more types. Okay, so let's come to class. Now, first of all, tell me, are you know about the even number or odd number? Tell me. Tell me, everyone.
Even number, the all number dollars. Ako ya.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
For,
Yes.
Yes.
for example, I will give you some question and I will ask, like, 2 is what? 2 is even number or odd number?
Even.
Even. Even.
Yes or no? Tell me, everyone.
Even.
Even. Even.
Confirm. Okay. Okay, so 5 is what? 5 is what?
Odd.
Odd.
Are you confirm, everyone?
Odd.
Odd.
On. On.
Okay.
Odd.
Okay. For example, tell me if you add even and even number. So you get what? For example, if you add 2 plus 2,
Four.
tell me what?
Four.
4, which is even.
Four. Even.
Okay. You have to remember that if you add even and even number, you get it what? You got it even number. But if you add even plus odd, which means, oh wait. Wait, I want to think. For example, if you add like 5 plus 5 plus 4, tell me what you get.
9.
9. Which is not even.
9.
Yes.
Not
So that is what. So tell me what. That is even number or odd number.
Odd.
Odd.
Odd. Odd.
So what do you understand? You understand if you add even plus odd, you get it
Kasi
odd number.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That is very important.
on number,
So
even
you,
number.
for example, so that these points are very important for us because I will give you some information about that. Why is it very important for us? So, for example, tell me some questions. One by one, I'm asking question. Okay, tell me. First question is that the sum of the question for don't hands. You have to just raise your hands. Okay, don't say anything. Okay. So your question is that the sum of two odd numbers is an even number. Just raise your hand. Listen to me carefully. The sum of two odd numbers. Listen to me carefully. The question is the sum of two odd numbers is an even number. Let's take an example. Okay, take an example. He is saying sum of two odd numbers, which means okay. Let's take an example. Then okay, you know that. Both of just you calm down. Let's solve it. For example, we have two odd numbers. For example, like we have 3, okay, and 3. Both are what? These are odd numbers. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me what we get.
6.
Yes or no? We get a 6. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So you can see here that is odd and that is odd. We get even number. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
which means the sum of two odd numbers is an even number. So that is what, true or false?
Andy.
Where is it?
What?
Where is it?
I'm asking question number B. You can see here.
Yes, teacher.
So that is true or false? Tell me.
3 plus 3 is not 5.
5, 7, 6.
Yes.
I'm asking, if you add two odd numbers, is an even number? It means you get even number. I'm asking this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you have to say. So you have to say true. Yes or no? It means you have to say true. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. The next question is the sum of two even numbers. No. Listen to me. I'm saying the sum of even number and odd number is an odd number. Tell me. Yes or no?
Yes. True. Yes.
Miss.
Yeah.
Can I leave and join back because my computer froze?
Okay. You can.
Can I?
Why?
Because your screen is not even moving.
Mask is not moving. Why? Okay.
Because
Everyone have mask is not wait. You can
That's
go
better.
and. Now it's better. Okay, fine. So tell me. Here question is the sum of an even number. Sum of even number
let's
means
read it.
you have one is even number, like you have 4. Okay, wait. Question number C. I'm talking about the question number C. Okay, listen to me. The sum of even number, that is 4. Okay, and odd number. Tell me any odd number.
5.
Tell me. Okay, 5.
5.
Okay, 5. Tell me the sum of.
9. 9.
Okay, 9. So that is. So tell me that the number is odd or even.
Odd. Odd. Odd.
So tell me the sum of even number and the odd number is an odd number. So that is true or false?
True.
Remember.
Yes.
True.
Yes, it means true. Okay, now you are great. Very good. So that is true.
No, you didn't.
So let's move to
Right.
the next. Yeah. You have any problem, anybody?
This summer.
Today now I'm going to teach you the sum. It means subtraction. So tell me, everybody knows about the subtraction? Yes or no?
Yes.
If anybody asking to you, can you tell me the method of subtraction?
Mama.
Okay. Now, is it clear for you, everyone? Wait. Tell me, is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, fine. Now, tell me what is the method to subtraction, if you know. My question is that from which side we are starting to subtract? From the left side or we are starting the right side?
Left. Right.
Left is this
Right.
and right is this. So you have to say right side, okay? It means that if we solve the subtraction, we have to start from the right side. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Because we have to start with always, not left. We have to start with the right side. Okay? And after then, we have to check. What we check? We have to check always upper side is always greater than lower side. Yes or no? Then we have to subtract. If upper side is not greater than lower side, then we have to take carry. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So tell me the answer first, if you know. Can you subtract?
1.
You have to subtract this. You have to subtract this. Tell me answer.
4,120.
No.
Okay.
Teacher,
I know. 100. 4,112.
Yeah.
teacher,
112.
my computer froze again. I don't know why.
What is doing in your computer? Tell me.
What?
What is doing? What's problem in your computer? Tell me.
I don't know. Wait, what? This problem?
Yeah, I mean to say, what's the problem in your computer?
I don't know. It just keeps freezing.
Wait, Miss Nancy,
Yeah.
I want to show you it.
Yeah, can you show me? Yeah. That answer is right. Very good. Your answer is correct.
Thank you.
If you have a problem,
Hey, yeah. Hey,
I don't
everybody.
know.
okay. So now, if you have a problem, you have to just watch your video. If you not understand, then you can leave it. What I say.
Okay.
Don't give me answer too much. Okay. You have to just watch my videos. Okay. You
Okay.
can see. So your answer is
That's so easy.
1, 1, and 4. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. So everyone is right. Very good. Okay. I will teach you some important. We know that is a very easy type of subtraction, and I think everyone knows about this method. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 If I teach you something different, like just tell me one by one. 7 minus 3 is what? That question is 583 only. Okay, listen to me. One by one, I will ask question.
What?
7 minus 3 is what?
4.
Okay, 4. Then 8 minus
Six.
2.
6
6.
That's 2 equal.
Okay.
and 4.
Yeah, that is correct. Now question 5 and 3, tell me answer. B.
B.
그 question 를 내가
2 minus 1.
I know.
저런 노래.
Yeah, good.
1, 7.
1. Okay, 1. After then?
1,
Okay, then
7.
1. Okay, 7. Good. You know that. Okay, tell me D. D for 8 to 6. Tell me.
1,
1.
1,
1.
Emma, can you see what that
1.
Good. 5, 7, 6.
760.
Oh, yeah.
Which one?
Okay, tell me. 5 minus 4.
What?
If you subtract from 5, 4, then tell me the answer is what? 5 minus 4.
3 minus
5 minus 4.
No, 5 minus
5 minus 4 equals 1. 9
Okay,
minus
9
4 equals 5. 8 minus 4 equals 4.
Very good. Very good. So 582. 582.
Yeah.
7 minus 2.
7 minus 2 is 5. 3
Okay.
minus 2. 4
Okay.
minus 1 is 3. And
Okay.
5.
Okay. Now everyone is right.
So
Good.
it's
It's
5.
just no, you're correct. No problem.
Okay.
The question is that he is saying write the column and find the difference. You know that if we are saying in the place of difference, maybe you can say tell me the subtraction. Yes or no? Maybe in the place of difference, it can say find the subtraction. Okay, the difference between subtraction. And for example, like I'm saying. uh, 88 from from 100. So what do you have answer?
My goodness.
You know that? Can you tell me? From means we have to separate.
188.
No,
22.
I'm saying 42. No,
Who are you talking to?
I'm saying if you subtract, like here is writing 88 from 100, which means we have to subtract. Tell me which from which number we have to subtract. Can you tell me?
100.
Yeah, we have to. Here is saying 88 from 100, which means we have to subtract 88 from the 100.
12.
Here is 100 and here is 88. So tell me, can you subtract 0 from it?
Okay.
No.
No, no. So what we have to take? We have to take carry. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So from the tens we have to take carry. It become 1. I mean 10. So we have a 10. Now we have to subtract 10 from 8. So what we get?
2.
Tell me answer. Okay, you are right. Another one, give me answer. So that is what? 2. So now tell me what is there?
2.
No, here is if here is 10, now here is only 9. So tell me 9 from the 9 we have to subtract 8. So tell me what we get.
1.
Yes.
Which
Five
one
times
is-
6, I understand. So the answer is 12. Answer is 12.
Someone.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there any problem? If you have any problem, you can ask me. 576. I understand.
That's in 60.
Yes, Miss Nancy.
I'm. You have any problem? I understand.
I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay, good. So I understand. I feel it as saying you have to subtract from. From means if you if anywhere write from, so you have to from, which means you have to select right side. Okay. From the right side we have to subtract. Okay.
Yes.
From the left. The question is that we have to. I know you can subtract in the column way. If the question is not right in the column, so we have can you subtract from the row? Can you subtract without writing in the row, column? Just listen to me. Listen to me. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me that is 2, which comes in the place of 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you can see here 2 is comes in the 1's place. Can you subtract 2 minus 2 is what?
Which one is it?
I'm talking about the A. You have to subtract from the 3,782. Yes or no? So you know that this side is greater. So we have to subtract 2,782 from 3,782. So now tell me what you get. If you subtract 2 minus 2 is what?
0.
2 minus
Yeah,
3.
that's it.
0.
No, that is 0. If
2
you
minus
subtract
3. 1. Minus 1.
No. Yeah, your answer is correct. So, very good. 583, you're correct. Listen to me. If you not solve like this, you have to write in the column like this. 5, 7, 8, and 2. Now 2, 7, 8, 2. Now you can subtract. 2 minus 2 is what?
0.
8 and 8?
0.
0.
0.
Yes. Good.
Minus 10.
Minus
7 and 7 is?
7 is
0.
is
0.
Yes, that's 0.
0.
And 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, I mean 3 minus 2?
1.
What?
So now, so we get 1000. Okay. If you not understand in this way, so you have to write in the column way. Okay. That is
Okay.
given in horizontal. Okay. Now I know that you can not solve in the horizontal way, so you have to write in column. Then you can solve. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Here you can see subtract of 4-digit number and with regrouping. It means that is a common method for the subtraction. Okay, which is used by you. That's the most common method. We have to check which one is. Now tell me answer. Which one is? Tell me answer fast.
Hmm.
The write down in your notebook. Tell me answer. 5, 7, 6.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Write down this question in your notebook and tell me answer.
Which answer?
Which I will question I'm saying write down this question and tell me answer.
Which question?
A and B.
That question.
A, B, C, or D? A, B, D, or E?
No, that question I am asking. Yes, you're. I think
Oh, no.
that question.
You mean the one you mean the one that's on the red circle?
Yeah, which
Okay,
is in
thank you.
circle, which is in square. 5 and 3. Show me your answer.
1 second.
8 to 6.
Yes. Teacher, I couldn't even see it.
I'm sorry. Where is your answer? I can see. Okay, your answer is no. No. Your answer is wrong. 5 and 3.
Oh, okay.
Five with 2.
Yeah.
Are you solving the question?
Yeah, I'm solving it.
Yeah. Okay, good. Solve it.
Finished.
Show me.
Teacher, is it right?
Okay. Okay, let's check. Okay, good. Let's check the answer. Okay, good. Now put down your notebook. So let's check. Your answer is right or wrong. Okay. Now check. So you know that. Can you subtract 7 minus 9? We can't subtract. Yes or no? So we have to take carry. Yes or no? It becomes 17. And here is what? Here is 5. Yes or no? So tell me, if you subtract 17 from 9, from 17 we have to subtract 9. So we get that is 8. Okay.
8.
Now you have 5. Listen to me. Now you have 5. We can't subtract 8 from 5. Now we again take carry.
50.
So it becomes
50.
50. Yes. Here is what? Here is 1. Okay.
Okay.
So from the 15, we have to subtract 8. Now we get it. Tell me what?
Karri
From the 18, if we subtract 8, now we get
50 minus 8 karri.
51. 7.
yes. That is 7. So now what we have? We can't subtract.
11.
Yes, we have to take one more. Now it is 11. So here is 6. From the 11, we have subtract 3. Tell
8.
me what we have. Yes. So that is 8. So now you have 6. We have to subtract 4 from 6. We have 2. 2.
2.
If your answer is this, then you are correct. What's your answer?
Yes.
Is it this?
I don't know if you guys wrote it.
There is a mistake. Listen to me. 582.
Yeah.
There is 1. There is 2. Yes. Now you're correct. Very good. What of you? Okay.
Oh
I
wait.
understand. Okay.
Is this correct?
Yeah. Now is correct.
Okay.
Okay. So I know. Can you verify your answer? For example, now tell me what we get. Wait. Where is the answer? We are solving this question. Yes or no? The answer is what? We have to get 2, and then 5. 5 from 8 is what? From 8. That is 7.
Hey teacher, I can't see it.
What? What you can't see? Now my question is that can you verify your answer? Listen to me. 576. Let's verify your answer is right or wrong. So if you want to verify, so we have to add both numbers. Which number? We have to add. We have to add it. 4,389 plus 6,878. Add it. Tell me the answer.
To answer Lila, to answer Lila.
2,878.
Now,
What did you say?
I'm saying you add it both. Wait. There is a mistake. Okay, wait. Wait. Let's verify your question. For example, listen to me. You have 3, 2. Now if you subtract what you get, that is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I'm saying your answer is correct, let's verify. How to verify your Tell me, your answer is right or wrong? You have to add your answer, okay, and it from the small number. So if you add 2 plus 1, we have to get 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it means your answer is correct. You can see we get this number. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It means if you solve and if you have any subtraction, okay. Now if you want to check your answer is right or wrong. You want to verify your answer. So you have to add. With what you add, you have to add your answer and minus. You have to add this number and this number. If that addition is that addition is matched with this, then it means your answer is correct. Let's take an example. Okay, let's take an example. Let's take example. For example, if you have 2, now solve it in your notebook. Okay, 2 5, 3, and 7.
It says 2,537.
No, Mari, come on. Let's meet. Come on.
Wait. Tell me answer. Fast.
I know.
Tell me answer fast.
Just a second. I need to finish it. Okay, I'll tell you.
826.
The answer
Write down in
is
your copy notebook.
1,000.
Tell me answer.
1,112. Here, let me show you.
Yeah. Why you not sure? Very good. Very good. 513 or 583 and 576. You also correct. Why are you not showing your copy? 826. 582. Why are you not showing your copy? Why are you not showing your notebook?
I'm almost
Let me
done.
show your copy.
I know your answer is correct. Your answer is 2, 1, 1, and 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you want to check your answer is right or wrong, so what you have to do? You have to add. Okay, your answer is right. Show me your copy again. So let's check your answer. Yes, your answer is right. So now let's check the answer. Listen to me. Let's check the answer. Which means we have to add. What you have to add? We have to add a small number. Which one is small? We have to subtract from this number. Yes or no? We have to subtract 2,537. We have to subtract this. So now your answer is 1,112. So you have to add. If you get answer, if you get this number, so your answer is correct. Let's check. So 5 plus 2 is what? Tell me, 5 plus 2 is what?
5 plus 3.
5 plus 3 is 8. 8.
5 plus 2. I'm talking about the 5 plus 2. We have to subtract
Oh,
this.
5 plus 2.
5
That's 7.
That is 7. Okay. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is?
3.
Okay. 4 plus 1?
5. 5.
Okay. 1 plus 1 is?
2. 2.
So you can see here. This answer is matched with upper side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
You can see here. It means your answer is correct.
Wait, teacher.
Yeah.
I can't see it.
Why can't see? Everyone, tell me, is it clear, everyone? So
Yes.
you can check your computer. You can check your PC. Now is it visible?
I'm gonna leave and join back.
Okay. So tell me, I understand how to verify your answer. Okay, that is the method. If you have any question and you get the answer, so you have to add and get your answer. So that is the method.
Hey.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, I'll erase it.
Okay. Let's check. Now tell me question number. Tell me one by one. I will give you 2 questions. Solve it. Note down in your copy. Tell me answer. 826, 582, 826. Note down in your notebook. Tell me answer. Find the difference and verify your answer. Solve it. I'm already tell you how to verify your answer.
Okay, Mom. Thirteen. Minus 7. It is 9. Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
Why does it says 8?
What?
Which one? A, B, Katri.
You have to solve question. You have to solve A and C.
A, B, C.
A and C? Oh.
Yeah.
Do we have to write those words?
C.
Do you have to write this and this?
Yeah.
582 minus. Like this? Emma? I'm showing you.
Oh,
Show me. Okay.
行了。
Okay. You're not verify your answer. You have to also verify your answer. Your answer is right or wrong. You can how to check your answer. I will tell you. Okay. I think both you are correct.
Oh, she's there.
Wait. Here is a mistake. 583. You're doing some mistake. Maybe. Okay. Listen to me. You're not giving me answer that I'm saying. Tell me, verify your answer. You're not. You have to just giving your difference. You're not verify your answer. How to verify?
No, I need to fix it.
Check your answer is right or wrong.
Here, I'm showing you.
Yeah, your answer is correct. 576. Your answer is correct. But if you want to check your answer is right or wrong, so how to check? Verify your answer. The question is that find the difference and verify your answer.
저렇게 verify check 제를 간디jel라 카드길라기 러서 다기 데데 데니니까 얘 돈.
Hold on, I need to talk to my mom.
No, 더 갈래.
Yeah. Listen to me. If you not solve your answer, so listen to me, okay? Your answer is correct, but you all are right. For example, if you're not know your answer is correct, so you have to verify your answer. Listen to me how to verify. Your question, let's solve question number 8. Listen to me, okay? You have 216 from you have to subtract 528. So 528 is here. Listen to me, okay?
Okay.
You have to subtract what? You have to subtract you have to subtract 216. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So from the 8, you have to subtract 6. You have to get 2. Okay. From 2, if you subtract 1, you will get 1. From the 4, from the 5, you subtract 2, you get what? You get 3. Yes or no? Is there
Yes.
a problem? So if I'm saying, Shelby, can you verify your answer? Your answer is correct or not? So you have to add. What do you have to add? You have to add this and this.
Add which one?
You have to add a smaller number. With from you know that we have to subtract upper from the upper side. Yes or no? So
Yes.
if you add your answer and your smaller number and you get the upper side number, then your answer is correct. So let's check. Okay.
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 If you add your answer and your smaller number. So tell me, 6 plus 2 is,
Oh, I'm right down.
Eight.
No.
you can see 576,
576 is
5 582 and 526, 826. Listen to me. You have to check. Your answer is right or wrong. So you have to add. 6 plus 2 is what? See here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 and 1 plus
2.
that is 2. Okay. Okay. Your answer is correct. Oh, there is some mistake. Let's check it.
Đó.
Let's check it. Your answer is maybe right, but we have to check it. Now tell me, 2 plus 3 is what?
2 plus 3 is 5.
Now you can see here. You get the answer. You can see here. Your answer is like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
576. 576.
Yeah, teacher.
You are saying you're not watching here. I'm saying how to check your answer. It means your answer is correct. You can see here. Yes or no? If you adding both of them and you get the upper side number, it means your answer is correct. Yes or no? Is there any problem?
Problem?
What? I mean, that is a method to verify your answer. So
Okay.
can you solve the question? So can you solve question number C?
Okay.
So now you have to verify your answer.
Why not?
Tell me.
I will try.
583.
Yes.
You have to verify your answer from this method. You can check your answer. You are right or wrong. Which question are you solved? I don't know. I can see. You have to shift from the left side. Okay. Put it down.
Minus? Here.
Which question are you solved? I am confused. Here is mistake. You're not checking your answer. Okay, good. Okay, good. Your answer is correct. Good. Now you're not checking. 583. Is there any mistake? Check your answer. You are not adding your answer. Listen to me. You have 8,894. Listen to me. I'm solving here. Okay? Let's check your answer. Your answer is correct or not. Wait.
I can't see it.
Wait. Now you can see.
No.
Yes.
Now you can see. Yes or no?
I
Yes.
can't see it.
Which one do
I have to
Which
join.
one?
My screen. I'm sharing my screen and I'm not showing it. Listen to me. Now I'm going to subtract.
There it is.
You can see here what I'm doing. One, 7, 8, 4.
Is minus or what?
Is it clear?
Or subtraction.
Yes, I'm doing subtraction. Listen to me what I'm doing. I'm doing subtraction.
I know.
No, mala le.
That is 6.
Oh.
Okay, so let's check.
It's 7,918.
Your answer is 7,000. No, let's check. So you know that we can't subtract 4. So we have to take carry. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it becomes 14. From the 14, if you subtract 6, you get what? You get 8.
What do I get?
You get, sorry, you cannot get 8. So now tell me what we get if you if you take carry from the 9. Now here is 8. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
9, 8.
So if you subtract 8 from 8, we get 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So now you have to subtract from the 8, 7. Now you get what?
1.
1. Okay. So from the 8 you subtract 1. Now you get what?
7.
7.
Yes. So let's check your answer is right or wrong.
7,908.
If you add this and this.
Which one 8?
Yes.
Which one 8?
Okay, wait. Which one you add, I will tell you. You have to add 1,000, 1, 7, 8, 6.
No.
And 7, 7.
6 plus. Verify nature.
No, you have to add.
Is it a plus?
Yes, you have to add. For checking your answer. It means you have to verify your answer is correct or not. You can see your answer is 7,108.
Okay, the answer is 8,894.
So your answer is 4. You can see here, your answer is
I said the answer is 808. I said it's 8,894.
yes, your answer is 8,894. Now you can see here your answer is matched with this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it means your answer is correct. So that is known as that is the way of method to verify your answer. Okay? Are you
Okay.
understand? So you can see here you have to, if you add your answer and your from the smaller number, if you add both, then if you get upper side answer, if upper side number, it means your answer is correct. You can see here. I understand.
Of course. Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
So today's class is over. I hope you understand. Is there any problem?
No.
So that is the okay. So I understand the verify how to verify your answer.
Who are you talking
Okay.
to?
I'm talking about the how. If anybody asking, can you verify your answer? So you can verify it. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So today's class is over. Take care and bye bye. I will post your homework in your
Bye
group.
bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Most
Thank you.
welcome. Most welcome. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.